বলে আয় রে ছুটে আয় রে তরা হেথা নাইকো মৃত্যু নাইকো জরা।
It's not that death doesn't visit this place. Neither heard that old age avoid this region. But if you come to this place, you will undoubtedly be able to recharge your entire being. In this video, I will take you to a very less known offbeat destination of North Bengal where one can easily rotate the age wheel to the opposite direction. Oh, I have not told you the name of the place, no? In this video, I will take you to Tabakoshi, which is only 8 km from Mirik. A small request before that, please like and share the video, subscribe the channel Living Insolito and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you get a notification. When you cross Mirik, you are almost at your destination. A share car will take around 100 rupees to drop you at Mirik Bazaar. From there, another 60 to 70 bucks for the rest of your journey by share car. If you reserve the car, it would cost around 700 from Mirik and from NGP around 2500. After Mirik, the entire journey is through lush green tea plantation and our destination is within Gopaldhara Tea Estate. There are now several homestays of almost equal price, but from standard point of view, the best one is Shunakiri Homestay. The car could go up to the gate, but we opted to walk around 200 meters through tea gardens. Let's go there. In the meantime, let me tell you about Tabakoshi. The lifeline of this small hamlet is a gushing hilly stream named Rangbhang Khola, which attains its youth in the monsoon, and then due to the slush and mud in the water, it becomes copper brown. Hence its another name is Tambakoshi in Nepali, which means coppery river. That Tambakoshi has been eased to Tabakoshi now.
Almost Haven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place.
If the river appears to be monotonous, which is out of the question though, yet for the sake of the argument, if we assume that it happens, then there are wavy green tea garden on either side and meandering road between that, decorated with white flowers are there for you.
Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home.
So we have reached at Sonakri homestay. Let's have a tour to this homestay. This resort is a perfect blend of ethnicity and modern amenities. That trashes could be converted to decorative pieces so nicely must have been appeared to be incredible if I had not visited this place. Old TV, phone, clock, gramophone, unused motorcycles, VCR, everything has been used for decoration. Traditional musical instruments, baskets and containers made of bamboo and cane are also displayed at the right place. They had not dumped even the wine bottles. Some are displayed, some used for hedging in the path and vegetable gardens.
저런 ব্যবস্থাপনা দেখছি।
Some are used for construction of seating areas and barbecue areas. And you won't believe, they have used this wine bottle for construction of an entire cottage as well. Yes, this cottage is made of beer bottles. The owner, Mr. Ramesh Rai himself is an explorer and biker. So he encourages the guests for hiking and other adventure activities and keeps himself busy in maintaining the entire resort. If you have only one night stay program, then your time will be spent simply to explore the resort itself. Yes, this homestay itself is a tourist spot. They have their own vegetables and fruit gardens, poultry and turkey farms as well. The products are served to the guests. One very important issue is this: the entire resort is a no smoking zone. So, if you are a smoker, don't commit the mistakes of smoking inside the rooms or in the garden. Smoking is considered as an offense here. There are 2-3 smoking areas in the garden. You can have few puffs there or by the side of the river. Yes, they have private areas by the river side where you can opt for bathing as well. Let's go there. We had spent some fun time in the river. The bathing was so refreshing that we couldn't wait much for the lunch.
ওয়ান্ডারফুল অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট। নিজেকে এখন রাজা রাজা বলে মনে হচ্ছে।
পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, কোথায় আছি বাস।
মারাত্মক ব্যাপার স্যাপার, নিজেকে জাহাঙ্গীর মনে হচ্ছে যেন বাদশাহী যুগে ফিরে গেছে।
আচ্ছা, এটা কি সোমরসে ভর্তি?
আসলে বন্ধ হতো না ব্যাপারটা।
খাওয়ার জবাবটা যে দিয়েছে, ডিমের কালিয়া, শাহি ডাল, আর জলের পাত্র দেখে জল খেতে মানে এসে হয়ে যাবে, সুরা মাত্রই জল।